Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how we can update our template with details like gratitude, affirmations, visualization, breathing technique, and other things, and also how we can connect these details using linking to the notes in Obsidian. So I'm going to show how powerful it is now. You can take a look. So let me go to Obsidian first. So let me open, let's say today's date is 20th. I'm going to click on it, or let's say 19th. I'm going to click on it and it says 19th Jan 2025 does not exist. Would you like to create it? So I'm going to click on create. So one day you woke up and you clicked on 19th because the day is 19th, and this template pops up on the screen with all the details: gratitude, affirmations, visualization, priorities, wins of the day, lessons learned, all these things. So your template is ready. So what you need to do is, so let's say for example you are thankful for the opportunity to begin each day with a clean slate, allowing you to pursue my goals with renewed energy. So these are some grateful sentences that you want to type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the first one. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So this can be anything. I'm just giving a random example. Okay. So let me copy the second one as well quickly. So I'm going to copy it. So this is very important. You see two square brackets here and two square brackets at the end. This is very important to open a new note, which I'm going to show in a minute. So let me copy I'm going to copy the second one as well. So, so you are grateful for these two things and you want to link this information, with family support note. So what you can do is you need to simply click on this. If you click on it, it is going to open a new note for family support note. Okay. So let me go back to the template again. So this is the template. So yeah, it is going to take you to fresh start note here. It is going to take you to fresh start note. So let me go back to template. So in this way, whatever you type, okay, let me type something and show you. I am grateful for using a nice laptop with good internet connection. Okay, now what you need to do is maybe you want to dive deep into internet connection. Okay, so you thought like, okay, maybe I should dive deep into internet concept. In this case, what you need to do is you need to type two square brackets. Okay, type internet, close it with two square brackets and hit enter. Now a link has been created. All you need to do is you need to click on control and click on this and it will open a new note. It is going to open a new note and a link has been created from this note to the notes which is called internet. So this is a good example that I wanted to show to you. Okay, now we have finished it for gratitude. Now let's go to the second one. In the same way, all you need to do is you can do it for affirmations as well. Okay, affirmations. So let me go. So these are affirmations. If you want to create a link, you can create for affirmations and visualization as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy for affirmations, copy, paste. Okay. At any point in time, if you want to open a new note, let's say for confidence, double bracket, double square bracket, close it, control, boom, it is going to open a new note. So you can do it for everything. Okay. So a link has been created. Now let's do it for visualization as well. So visualization. So I'm going to copy all these things. I'm going to paste it here under visualization. Paste it. Okay, and you have added some tags as well, productivity and positivity. At any point in time, if you are interested about, let's say, relaxing, you are interested about it, you want to dive deep into relaxing part. So double brackets, double square brackets at the end, and control, hit relaxing, and it will open a new note. So a connection has been established from this note and also to relaxing. So you follow the same thing for priorities. Maybe you have some priorities for the day. So before going to priorities, I would like to add breathing technique as well. Along with gratitude, affirmations, visualization, breathing is also a very important technique that you may have to implement in your daily life for better output. Okay, so this is breathing technique. Sit comfortably with a straight back. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 times. Okay, at any point in time you want to uh, dive deep about, let's say, how you can inhale deeply. Let's say you want to find out how you can inhale deeply for few seconds. So this is the interesting concept that you want to explore. So you need to open square brackets, close square brackets, control, hit it, and it is going to open a new note for inhale deeply. Okay, so I think you are understanding what I was trying to convey, right? So let's go to daily priorities. So these are some examples of daily priorities. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to the template again. So daily priorities, I'm going to paste it here. So this is priority 1, this is priority 2, priority 3, and you can link it. So these are already linked. So all you need to do is click on control, click on email response, and it is going to open a new note called email responses log. So let me go back. Oh, we have done it until priorities. Now in the evening, after completing your day, after finishing your day, maybe at 6 p.m., you want to reflect. You want to do some evening reflection. Okay. What you need to do is go to evening reflection, copy these things, paste it here. Okay. So you have successfully delivered a detailed project proposal draft on time, and you have also completed a challenging task with creativity and focus, and you feel like talking about it in detail, so you create 2 notes and you start documenting inside these 2 notes. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one is reflection question. So you can reflect on the day, reflect on the complete day, and if you want to reflect on some things, you can question it. Let's say, for example, what can I do today to move closer to my goals, or what can I do today to finish my task in less span of time, or what can I do today to uh, draw a picture quickly, whatever it is. So you can, if you want to reflect on some things, you can type those questions here in this template. Now let's go to the next one. It says evening reflection. So evening reflection. So this is a very good example for evening reflection. Finished an important report before the deadline, had a meaningful conversation with a friend, stuck to my workout routine. So I'm going to paste it here. At any point in time, if you want to open a link, you can always open a link. So let's go to wins of the day. Wins of the day. So these are 2 nice wins of the day. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So these are the links that are already created. All you need to do is click on control and it is going to open a new note here. See, it has opened a new note here. So if you go back, now the next one is lessons learned. So what are the lessons learned? So you learned that allocating uninterrupted time blocks for key tasks increases efficiency. Short breaks help maintain my energy throughout the day. So these are some lessons that you have learned this particular day. So I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. So if you want to dive deep about Pomodoro technique, you have created a bidirectional link. You need to click on it and you can start documenting about this. I like this technique very much. It helps me to get the work done when I go for break every 25 minutes of deep work. I like to implement it every day. And you can come back to this note every day. And if you have new reflections, new thoughts about this particular technique, you can keep documenting here. Okay, now let's go back to the note. Let's go back to the note. Okay, so we have finished until priorities, reflection, wins of the day, lessons learned. Now you want to reflect on the areas that you can improve. So I'm going to copy all these things here, reduce time spent checking notifications and experiment with a stricter do not disturb mode during working hours. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. So every day when you open a new template, in the morning you talk about gratitude, affirmations, visualization, you do some breathing technique and you set the priorities and you leave and you come back in the evening. You come back in the evening and you can reflect. You can work on reflection question, you can work on evening reflection and you can work on wins of that particular day and you can also type what are the lessons that you have learned and you can also type areas to improve. So this is a very simple but very powerful template that you can follow every day. And if you follow this for next 6 months or 1 year, every day you are improvising it. You are not only, mentioning all the details about your daily activities, you are linking this information to the new notes and you are sharing a lot of thoughts and it is going to create a web of knowledge. It is going to create a web of knowledge or web of ideas. So let me quickly go to graph view. See, if you see now we are creating a very beautiful web of ideas. We are create every node that you have created is linked to some other note. So it is going to give a complete idea like where you are going well, where you need improvement and all these things. So this is called graph view. All right. So let's go back to the template again. Okay, so we have done areas to improve as well. Now here comes the interesting part. So we have link to yesterday's note and link to tomorrow's note. So the best part about this template is after finishing the template, if you want to link this particular note to yesterday's note or if you want to link this note to tomorrow's note or the day after tomorrow's note, you can also do it. So I'm going to show it to you now. So let me remove everything. So I want to link it to yesterday's note. So let's say for example 15th is yesterday was 15th. All I need to do is open two square brackets, type 2025 hyphen 01 hyphen 1 5 and it is going to link to yesterday's note. See, it has linked to yesterday's note. At any point in time, if you want to go back to yesterday's note, you can click here and it will take you directly to 15th. See, it is going to take you directly to 15th. So this is 15th. I clicked on it and it took me directly to 15th note. Now let's go back to 19th. Now let's say you want to link it to maybe tomorrow's note or maybe the day after tomorrow's note. So let's say, for example, you want to link it to 2025. You want to link it to 21st. I'm going to type two square brackets 2025 followed by 01 followed by 21. See, it is already showing it here under daily notes. So I'm going to click on it and hit enter, and a link has been created for tomorrow's note. So whenever you're working on the templates, at any point in time you want to link it to yesterday's note, or if you want to link it to tomorrow's note, you can do it directly from your template. And you want to do some journaling, or you want to share some thoughts like your emotions or whatever it is, you can also type it here. I feel very good today with my work and and feeling I feel very good today with my work, and I would like to follow this mood every day. Okay, so if you have some thoughts or you want to journal, you can also do it here. So this is how you can actually, you know, open up the template in the morning, fill up all the details, and at any point in time, if you want to create a web of ideas, or if you want to connect it with the linking feature in Obsidian, you can link these notes and you can dive deep into each and every note, and it is going to create a web of knowledge, and you can view it and this is going to share a lot of insights or beautiful thoughts, and it is going to help you to work effectively day by day, because you learn something from it and you're going to improvise it the next day on the template, and you keep learning every day, every week, every month. You have the reflections, and by the end of 6 months you will have a very beautiful, workflow for your work. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.